Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to join a specific server for PS4 and PS5 for Roblox. And in order to do this, you will need to have Roblox downloaded on your phone, because you cannot do this with just the PlayStation. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go into the game that you want on your phone. So like, let's just say I have Roblox on my phone. I'm going to go to my Roblox phone app, and also make sure that it is a different account from the PlayStation account. So make sure your phone Roblox and your mobile Roblox and your PlayStation Roblox are two different accounts. So on my mobile app or on my mobile Roblox, I'm gonna go into Blade Ball, for example. I'm gonna go into like a specific server that I want to join. Let's just say I want to join with like 2 people. I can do that on the phone very easily. And then once I get into the once I get into the game on my phone, I'm going to invite my PlayStation account, and then now I can join. Now once I basically join, that is basically it. That now I'm in a server with like 2 to 3 people on my PlayStation Roblox account as well. And then from there you can either leave on your mobile phone, it doesn't really matter, you could do whatever. And yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.